Welcome to my YouTube channel. So on this video I will share with you how to bevel edges in Blender. So we have our default cube. I'm working on Blender 4.52 LTS, and to bevel the edge of this cube, all I need to do is to first switch to edit mode, because you can't really do anything without going to edit mode. So on edit mode we have this. So on edit mode we have three options: face, vertex and edge. Vertex, edge and face. So now we have it that you have to select the edge because you are trying to bevel the edge. So you click on this. To do a multiple selection, you have to hold down shift and then you click on, right click on the side you wish to select. Then after that, the next is to press Ctrl B, then you drag your mouse. And when you drag your mouse, we have this. So in the case where you drag your mouse and you wish to add more cuts to the bevel, all you need to do is to roll your mouse button. So if you roll it, you will see it, you have cuts. And when you are done, you can right click and then we have this option come up here. This option, you can decide to open it and then switch or maybe change whatever thing you wish to change that you are unable to change using the mouse, rolling the mouse button. So this is it. So in the next video I will share with you how to bevel when you are not, when your object is not on the point of origin. So stay tuned and see you on the next one.